And whatever I don't like is going back.
NAGBM Productions.
So hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a haul and review on Missguided. I've never bought anything from Missguided, so I wanted to check out their store. And the first thing is, stop the noise beside me. The first thing is this wrap blazer dress. I will say I wish the buttons were sewn on a bit better. That's the only qualms I have with this. I love me a good wrap dress and I love white, so I felt like this is perfect. I feel like you can dress this up, dress this down. You can wear it fall, winter, spring. It's very versatile. You can actually untie this and use this as a coat, which is super dope. Just wear something that's turtleneck with long sleeve, throw this over it, put on some combat boots and you're good to go. So this is the first dress. It fits perfect and it's not too short. I wish it had some pockets though. As you can see, it's not too short because I did the bend test. This is another dress. This is a slit dress. Absolutely love the color. It looks amazing. It fits great. And if you're a bit more on the curvier side, I definitely say size up when you're going to do slit. When you're going to do slit dresses, because the material don't have any stretch. And they put these on, so if you need to return them, you can take it off. So Bottega green is in. So this is the next dress. This is actually from the Carly Bible collection. This was the only thing that I pick up from her collection because all the other items would not look flattering on my body type. But this dress is giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So this one is from the Carly Bible collection. And this is the only thing that I picked up from her collection because I felt like the other ones, everything else was not going to be flattering on my body type. Everything is crop top. It's for people belly that are on flat. Just not my thing. But this dress, the print, the colorway is giving what it's supposed to give. The asymmetric detail. And whatever I don't like is going back. The color is amazing. The cut is amazing. I wish I had gotten the size up, but they didn't have it available, because it would give the fupa a little more breathing space, a little bit more room, but I can work with this. The color, the everything. Yes, ma'am. So I'm not gonna even zip this one all the way up. The arms are really tight. The waists are tight. It's a cute dress. However, the material is, I don't know, I feel like a suede, faux suede material, so it don't have much stretch. And I needed to get like 2 more sizes up because this is not comfortable at all, and I don't even have it zipped all the way up, but this is how it looks. This is the next thing. I got this cobalt blue long sleeve oversized shirt. I got this really big because I wanted to be able to wear biker shorts with this, or anything I wanted to do, pretty much. Wear it as a like jacket, because I live in Florida and it's not that cold there, so when it gets a little bit chilly I can wear this as like a jacket over something else. The pants is actually not, let me fix this. The pants is actually not from Missguided, it's from Amazon. The drop with signed by Blake. So this is how it looks. I'm going to show you guys outside of the pants how big it is. It's super duper oversized, and that's how I wanted it. And I also got it in brown. So this is the next top. This top is absolutely gorgeous. If you have a bit of fupa, this will do you great. Love, love, love the pleated detail on the arms, the peplum detail. This is super cute. This can be worn with pants, this can be worn with a skirt, pencil skirt. Amazing. Come up a little bit. So this is my second time filming this, and this shirt definitely does not fit properly. Okay, the boobs all fit right. The waist is too tight. It's definitely going back. It's going back. It's going back. So this is another top. This one is, it's too big. If I had gotten a smaller size, maybe, but I hate the boning. It's the plastic boning. It doesn't fit for you. So this is another cute top. This top also have the plastic boning, but it's not as bad because it don't have the boning in the waist. It just have the boning in the top, and it's keeping the top up. So I like this. I'm gonna keep this one, and I also love this detail on the waist. You can snatch your waist in with it. It's everything. So this is a policy. Can't pronounce the proper terminology for this top. It's very much in. It's lightweight, so if you live down south and you want to still feel like you have fall winter, but you know you're playing yourself, this is the perfect material for that. These jeans are also from Missguided. I'm definitely gonna have to take the waist in a bit. What the hell? I'm definitely gonna have to take the waist in a bit, and then we'll be good. I love the cut of this pants. As you can see, the mustard yellow one that I had on before is the same high-waisted cut, which is super flattering. So this is the next piece. It's actually a mock neck, half a turtleneck basically, bodysuit, and it's in yellow. This light yellow color is definitely in for fall winter, so I love the fit. You're definitely gonna need undergarments because this is not actually double lined, but that's neither here nor there. It's still cute. I love which part the sleeves are cut, and I also got it in black. I think I got this one as 12. This is in a 12. It's a bit big, and this is in a 10. I would definitely say if you're my size, get it in a 10. The 10 fits way better, and it has the curves. This is the last outfit. I like it. It's really cute. Love the wide leg. Love the rib material. But I will say this is way too big. And if I go down a size, I have to go down the size because this is a set. So, and I feel like the top is gonna be too tight. So this is definitely going back, even though it's kind of cute. It's kind of giving. So I would have to roll the sleeve, well, roll the waist. So this is the last and final outfit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.